Hey there guys, welcome back to another session of your Innovators Launchpad course. And in this video, we are going to continue with our electronics part. And we are basically going to use some, very easy to find material and a few electronic components like a 9-volt battery and a buzzer to create our very own water level sensor. So without wasting any more time, let's start. So for this video, we are going to need some plastic bottle caps, a used pen, some aluminium foil, some ice cream sticks, and some basic electronic components like a 9-volt battery, its connector, and a buzzer. So we're gonna start by taking two plastic bottle connectors, and then we will take some cello tape and join these caps together. So we now need to make a hole in the center of this contraption over here. You can either use a drill machine if you have one, or you can also use a screwdriver or nail and hammer to do this. Make sure that you have some adult supervision while you are doing this. Similarly, make another hole in the large bottle cap and make sure that these holes are wide enough for you to be able to insert your pen in them. This should be easily able to move. We will then need two square pieces of aluminium. Basically, you can take a big sheet and fold them down to make it turn it into a thick sheet. And then we basically need to paste this aluminium on top over here on this side. So for that we will use some glue. Again, please be very careful when using hot glue gun because this tip and the glue that comes out of it's very hot. Similarly, we are going to attach one more aluminium strip on the other cap. You can then cut off the extra part using a pair of scissors. We are then basically going to use a screwdriver to make a hole in the center of our aluminium sheet also. And similarly, we will make a hole in the other cap also. We are then going to take our pen and the single bottle cap and insert the pen inside this bottle cap over here. Leave about 1.5 centimeters of bottle of pen over here and then just use some glue gun to fix this in its place. Once this glue gun is dried off, take the second bottle cap and insert it like this in a way that both the aluminium foils are facing each other. And we basically need this contraption to be able to freely move on our pen. So we'll just place it towards the end and add some glue gun over here, which basically will stop our bottle cap from completely falling off the pen. And now wait for it to dry off. We then need to take an ice cream stick and this contraption over here, use some glue gun and fix this contraption over here like this and wait for this to dry off. Then take an empty water bottle and cut it in half. Again, please be careful when doing this and make sure that you have an adult around to help you with this so that you don't hurt yourself. After cutting, we will basically have two pieces of bottle. We don't need this first part, we only need the bottom part for this. Take two small pieces of ice cream stick, use some hot glue gun and basically attach these pieces over here. Apply some hot glue gun and let it dry for a few minutes. Similarly, we'll also attach this piece over here. Make sure that you leave like a 1 mm of gap between these two pieces. Take some piece of cardboard and basically use hot glue gun to attach the 9-volt battery and buzzer on the piece of cardboard. And then just give it a few minutes to dry off. Attach the 9-volt battery connector on the 9-volt battery itself, and then connect the positive end of the buzzer with the positive of the 9-volt battery. After that, use some insulation tape to secure this connection properly. Then take some extra wire and the previous contraption and basically just pass this wire through the aluminium foil. Make sure to make it a tight connection. We want the wire to be basically properly attached with the aluminium foil. And then you can also use a little bit of hot glue gun to secure this. Similarly, take another piece of wire and pass it through this top aluminium sheet. Then just twist it and make sure that it's a secure connection. Again, you can use some glue gun to secure this even more. After putting on the insulation tape, you can just test whether your circuit is working properly or not. So these two bottle caps basically work like switch. So when these two aluminium foils touch together, the buzzer will start to beep. Now what we have to do is we will basically mount this contraption on our empty bottle. Now I have mounted the contraption on bottle, and what I'll do is I'll just use some hot glue to fix this in its place. And then just wait for the glue gun to dry up. Now we are going to completely fill this bottle with water, and the bottom cap should rise up. Both the aluminium foils should come in contact, and our circuit should get complete. Want to create an actual water level indicator that can tell you different levels of water, and maybe you want to combine it with an Android app and interface them together to create an IoT device. Just go on to our website avishkar.cc. You can buy the IoT starter kit from there and join the course. That was all for this video, guys. I hope all of you had a good time and you were able to understand that how we can use some very easy to find material and create our own sensors like the water level sensor that we just created. Do make the project, and once you are done making, feel free to share that with us on our Facebook community page, Let's Avishkar. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you again next time.